Today, we're going to take this beautiful piece of live edge walnut from big slabs and turn it into a custom cutting board using a single file on our Performance 8 ATC. Our first toolpath creates the juice groove using a core box bit from our 9-piece router bit set. We are carving this to an 1/8 inch depth, and this tool is able to handle it in a single pass without any issue. Once that operation is complete, the auto tool changer automatically switches over to a 1/4 inch downcut end mill to cut the profile of the cutting board. One of the biggest advantages of running both toolpaths in the same file is that the juice groove and profile are perfectly aligned every time. If you look closely, you'll notice that I always ramp my tool paths into the material. This helps reduce the possibility of leaving dwell marks where the tool enters the wood, and can also help extend tool life by reducing the shock of a straight plunge. You may be wondering how we're holding the material in place. For this project, we're using double-sided tape to secure the walnut to the spoil board. This ensures that both the finished cutting board and the surrounding scrap remain secure throughout the cut, while also eliminating the risk of accidentally contacting a clamp. After machining, we did some light grit sanding to ensure that the top of the board was nice and smooth, and applied a food-safe oil finish. This really brings the walnut grain to life and gives us a nice, finished look. This project is a great example of how approachable cutting board making can be with a CNC machine. While cutting boards can certainly become more advanced with end grain construction, glue-ups, and inlays, you do not need to start there. Sometimes all it takes is a beautiful piece of hardwood, a simple design, and the right tool paths to create a stunning, fully customizable project. With relatively little material cost, you can turn a raw board into a finished product that is both functional and beautiful. My name is Jeremy, and I'm part of the team here at Simply Technologies. If you ever have questions about CNC technology, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help make sure your experience is safe, successful, and enjoyable.